ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency President Bongbong Marcos Jr. in Singapore.
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong host, si Freddy, dito sa Amerika. At ako yung magbabalita tungkol sa kaganapan na ginagawa ng ating presidente tungkol sa ikalawang pagbisita ng tour. Hindi ito, kundi investment, no? To promote tourism and investment in the country, the Philippines. Okay? From Brunei Darussalam, nasa Singapore na po siya. To promote tourism and at the same time security with partnership with Singapore government. Okay, siya po ay magdi-deliver ng speech sa ISIS Shangri-La Dialogue or Forum. Okay, ISIS, no? ISIS parang pero actually it's different. Ano ba ito? Itong ISIS na to. ISIS is a unique platform for debate. Oh, wow. And among government ministers and senior officials, as well as business leaders and security experts on Asia developing security challenges. And it will be now May 31st to June 2, 2024. Ngayon ay May 31 na dyan. So, sa Pilipinas, at May 30, right? May 30. Okay. Alexa, what day is today?
It's Wednesday, May 29.
Okay, May 30 now. Okay. So, in preparation at sigurado mimitingin niya ang mga Pilipino doon sa Singapore. Okay? So, sino po ba ako? Ako po ay isang Competent Toastmaster International dyan sa Bacolod City, and I've been a system engineer for PLDT Bacolod for a decade in the Philippines, and I'm also a healthcare worker in Chicago for almost 2 decades. And that is, I'm now a pensioner, okay, here in America. Thank you very much, America, for giving me a great opportunity to be of service, and at the same time for staying me for good. Thank you so much, America. Okay, now, ang ating Pangulo ay ginagawa ang lahat ng paraan upang umunlad ang ating bayang Pilipinas. At ito ay napagtatagumpayan na niya lahat, no? Dahil marami nang umaatras sa ano ba yung partido ni Duterte, ni Rodrigo Roa Duterte, PDP. Okay, marami nang umatras. Ang siya sa pinakamatras ay si Governor ng Cebu, umatras na sa pagiging miyembro ng PDP laban. Wala na yung laban, PDP na lang. PDP dapa. So, ito ay nangyari dahil sa kapalpakan na ginagawa ni Digong Duterte na walang ginawa kundi magmura. No? Magmura, kaya naubos ang kanila. At ang ginagawa nila ay sistema ng China na pabaksakin ng gobyerno pero hindi sila nagtagumpay. No? Dahil sapagkat patuloy ang pag-iikot ng ating Pangulo dyan sa Pilipinas at maging sa mga karatig bansa upang mapaunlad ang ekonomiya. In fact, ang the Philippines is one of the most and fastest economy in Asia, in the whole Asia, according to World Bank, IMF, and Asian Development Bank. Okay? Kaya marami ang mga investors sa Pilipinas na itong mga pro-China ay ayaw maniwala na umuunlad ang ating bansa. Alam nyo, kung ikaw ay nag-aaral, sisisihin mo ba ang eskwela na pinag-aaralan mo? Kung hindi ka naman nag-aaral sa bahay, hindi ka gumagawa ng assignment, hindi ka nagpa-participate sa mga class discussion, paano ka uunlad? Are you asking for the school to promote you, to give you a passing grade? Your teacher, your professor, will you expect them to give you a passing grade if you are not exerting effort? Huh? Do you think so? So that is what you are there in the Philippines. You need to do something. You need not to waste even a single time because time is gold. Okay? So, ano ba ang gagawin ng ating Pangulo dito sa Singapore? Ito importante. It features plenary debate led by government ministers. Okay? And in the presence of President Bongbong Marcos, he is going to represent the Philippines, as well as important opportunity for bilateral discussion among delegation. Ito na pagkakataon ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. na ito ay kinikriticize ni Digong Duterte na hindi niya kayang gawin. Isipin mo, you are a lawyer, you are a former prosecutor, and yet you cannot do what is the president is doing. And you people there in the Philippines, some of you are criticizing the education of the president. He studied here in America, which is the #1 leader in the world in education. And Philippines is only on the seller part of the PISA, P-I-S-A. Among 81 countries, we are 77. Just imagine, from #1, the United States, the Philippines is number 77. Just imagine that. Okay? So I do hope that let us give credit to the President for all his accomplishment been doing for the past 2 years. By June 30, he is going to reach 2 years as President of the Republic of the Philippines. And you will be amazed when you see and you feel that the country is now one of the fastest economy in Asia. Okay? Thank you very much. This is Rose. Let's pray for the President for the success of his mission in Singapore right now. And in God we trust. Never hold your peace. I'll see you in my next vlog.